Negligence per se. Negligence means ignorance or careless, whereas per se means in itself. This occurs when someone violates a law that is meant to protect others from harm and the violation directly causes injury. This is called negligence per se, in which there are laws made to protect people but people out there violate them. Then that time negligence per se occurs. Let's see an example. This car, if a driver runs a red light and hits someone who is crossing the road, the driver may be negligent per se. That means if this driver crosses the road and there are people who are crossing at the same time, at that point, it's obvious accident will occur. So this is called negligent per se, where this car can hit this person. An accident can occur because this car driver had did negligent per se and violated the traffic laws. That is why negligent per se is very dangerous. See here, the light is red, so now I'm going to change it to green. So now the light is green. So if the light is green, that means the car can cross the road. Now there will be no harm to others because the light is green and everyone knows the cars are going to cross the road. So this is where the negligent per se will not occur, because people, you can see here, are not going to cross because the light is green and they are aware that the cars are crossing. So at this point no accident will occur. This is called negligence per se, where accidents and damages occur when the human being itself do not follow the laws.